back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing King Diamond's makeup tutorial. I'm going to be combining a few of his looks. So it's like through stages a little bit. So from like his past, a bit some more Merciful Fate kind of makeup when he's younger, and then from his like last kind of look when he for King Diamond. I'll just show you some pictures. So kind of makeup from here, like his King Diamond, but then I like his his crosses. So I'm gonna do like that look, some mixture of the two. And I really like his like conspiracy, or like the dark side makeup here. And sometimes he exposes his beard, like Merciful Fate. He does it a lot, and then you can see like in there he has it like shaved or covered up. So he goes either way with his beard. So it's gonna cover mine white there maybe. He's got this Abigail doll. There's Abigail. So that's why I have my doll here today. It's kind of like my King Diamond props. So that's, I also made a microphone because I'll show you his microphone. Well, that's part of his like two bones, like the femur and the tibia. He has it on a stand, and then his mic is mounted to it. I have a way better picture. There, that's like it on stage, and his microphone's mounted to it. So I try to do my own version of that. And then I was on his Twitter, and his tweet was King Diamond microphone stand. Feels good to welcome during practice at the Institute for the upcoming tour. So it was like on its own stand. Yes, he's like, yeah, he's got his own Twitter. But his microphone has like its own stand on the wall. And that's his new, I guess, he's really hoping to get this institute out, but because of all the problems going around with touring and that, he hasn't been able to put any shows out. But I think he wants to tour while he drops his like album. So hopefully that's gonna come up for any fans that like his music. So I'll show you the microphone. Here it is. I made this out of like white cardboard and like white paint and glue, and then I have my karaoke mic on the end. No! So I'll be using that. Plus my Abigail doll. And then also I have a Dracula outfit. So here's the vest part. That's the vest. And it's got like the buttons that he likes to use. So a good example would be like this here. And then the cape, I also have that. Okay, so I gotta start his makeup soon. And one more thing I want to show you. These cool gloves I picked up. They're just like regular gloves, but I don't know. He doesn't really wear his gloves that much, King Diamond, but I wanted to get a pair anyways. Like, it's so sweet. They're like moons and stuff. It's like really intricate on the fingers. Celestial gloves. So I'm gonna wear these. I think it look cool with the mic and like the vampire. I kind of look like the vampire with this, like Alucard. Helsing, that anime, I don't know. Alright, I better start my makeup. Alright, so I'm gonna do what he does here, which is he does a bit of an hourglass on his forehead. Here, I'll zoom in. Yeah, a little bit of an hourglass with a cross. Also, too, one time he had like a 9 to promote like the album or the band or the song, And then I was thinking like, oh, Tech 9, he would write stuff on his forehead too, and Tech 9 would do like, and he's like 9, so I was like, maybe there's a connection between their makeup. Plus I want to add some crosses to that kind of look, so bring it in a bit and add some crosses. So I'm going to start with the white. Oh yeah, I'm drinking this. It's Tweed. This is like a drink we have in Canada. It has like THC. This one's got 5 milligrams, and the flavor is twisted tea raspberry. It's really good. So if I seem a little like buzzed, this is probably why. These to pick from, so black and white, and then these stylist ones. I don't know, maybe I'll try these stylist first, and then I can fill it in, and then I have like backup paint too. I'm kind of nervous to do this, to be honest, because once you start, you can't stop. So I just gotta like prepare myself. Also too, I got my rock star. So I'm gonna get my rock star on. Whew, that's good. Okay. Also too, I gotta swap my clothes over in the dryer because I don't want to like go upstairs and then like people see me like dressed like that. So I'm just gonna be right back in 2 seconds as I put the clothes in the dryer. Alright, I'm back. Oh yeah, I didn't show you the hat. I made this hat. A little dusty, but I just added this bow and this pentagram thing. That's what I'm gonna wear as my vampire outfit. I'm ready now. Oh god, this was like grease paint. It was really, oh my god, it was really sensitive. I have this like, yeah, remember this rag I got from the Spirit of Halloween? This is coming in handy. Because like, if I get like a mess, I don't want to ruin my regular cloth, so this is a godsend. Right, so let's start. Okay, so I'm doing my Merciful Fate base. You can see there. And then I will probably do like maybe some detail, like those little swirls and stuff. And there's like the lines, the crosses. Mixture of those ones. And my sponges. I got like these cute black ones, I don't know if I showed you already, but jar like this. All these black ones. And then these white ones too. They're really like nice and spongy. I'm gonna use this one to do the white all around. Because I'll be covering it with some of it with black anyways. So white around, and then I gotta get to my eyes getting black. And then I wanna do it like in that design. That's like his latest eye makeup. Because his other older one, he kind of does it bigger at the sides. And that's when like Kiss was getting all, they said, oh, he's copying our look. Whatever. they're like they're too like really wide at the side. That's more like Merciful Fate. But I want to do his other look too was like he did side eyes, but it was like spiky, and then at other times he like leaves it smooth. So he has like that look plus his crosses. So it just depends on his mood. But I like this kind of look with his eyes going over and there. Okay, it's hard to make it even, but I guess if you do it every single night on stage, you remember how to do it. This part here, I want it to kind of look like his triangle. So I'm going to make those, like those two lines on his forehead. Look there. And I want to turn that into that. Oh my gosh. Like a Teletubby. Make that really white. Fill that in. I want to do a 9. It's going to be hard to do a 9 because this is like the reverse. And I don't know what I'm actually seeing, so I'm just going to guess what a 9 looks like. Is that a 9? I think it is. Here. It makes me think of Tech 9, right? I think it looks a little bit better because the line there, it looks so like haggy. He has like this squarey thing. I'm gonna try to do that here. So it goes like across the nose, down, kind of like that. Alright, so I'm basically done my makeup here. So I'm gonna get ready to do some little karaoke, and I will see you in a few minutes. Just like a demon's eye, the moon was dancing on the blackened sky. In my sleep, nothing's real. Dreaming, I'm dreaming. I can feel the take our turns into the magic circle where all the fire burns. We'll spin it round and round until one of us takes a fall. The fallen one will not return. The fallen one must burn. Just like the demon's eyes, the moon was dancing in the blackened sky. I'm awake, but nothing's real. Dream